Hello there and welcome and hi to another Ayrshire Classic. This is the Ayrshire Classic Car Club and we're here today down at Prestwick next to the airport, and you'll see over here some planes sometimes whizzing past. But anyway, at the show today, a fantastic turnout as usual. A vast array of cars here, a plethora of cars, including my good friend here, Abe. He's got his Citroen here today to show us, and a fantastic original car from 1954. We also have of note, we have over here a 1921 Silver Ghost, a very, very rare and unusual car, parked next to the Bentley, of course, which is the Bentley S3 model. Again, a very, very special car, which would be aluminium body on it. And as you see, as we look round the field, we have from every make and model that you could ever imagine. Superb turnout, American, sports cars, fast cars, old cars. Fantastic, and everybody's having a good time, including the dog. The dog's having a good time as well. Get that dog a hamburger. So yeah, all in all, a fantastic day out, yet again, well organised, and we're so glad to see such a good turnout from the Ayrshire Classic Car Club. As you know, we have many meetings throughout the year, and this is just one of, but keep checking out on the Facebook page, and we'll update you on anything up and coming. And we'd like to see you there. Bring your car along, have a great day with the members and a chit chat about old cars and all things related. So from Prestwick today in the sun, from Sandy Johnson and Arnold van der Broek, we are saying hi and bye. Thank you.
Sun's up over Ayrshire, the kettle's on the brew. At the Tattie shack, the field's packed with a petrol-headed crew. There's a growl, a purr, a rumble from the old and the brand new. From a bullnose Oxford chugging slow to an Audi R8 that flew. Oh, the Tattie shack is shining, every paintwork's looking fine. From the Lexus Smooth to the Land Rover 59, we got Cyberster, futuristic, Dino's classic line. Yeah, the Ayrshire Classics Car Club, man, we're feeling mighty fine.
Look at that Ford Fiesta, RS Turbo boosting hard. Parked beside a Jag XKR, a supercharged yard guard. There's a Porsche 984 full, light popping off the glass, and a Ferrari 348 like it's kicking up the grass.
Oh, the Tattie shack is shining, engines ticking in a line. That MGB Roadster glistening, that C3 looking prime. Got a Mazda MX-5 grinning, a Capri that's so divine. Yeah, the Ayrshire Classics Car Club, man, we're having a good time. Honda Sextus Innie is tiny, but it's winning on a curve. The WT4's got the bruise, the energy we serve. The Mercedes E-Team empty is cruising smooth and low. Audi A4, BMW Z3, watch the whole crew glow.
Ford Crown Vic from the States, Targa Force in the sun. Triumph Stag's roof is off and the V-Levy Beetles won. Every heart here in this field, no matter what you drive, it's the love of four-wheeled freedom makes you feel so alive.
Oh, the Tattie shack is buzzing, hear the laughter and the roar. From the Porsche to the Lexus and a dozen classics more. Yeah, the Cyberster and Dino and the Stag and Capri score.
Classics Car Club,
Yeah, we couldn't ask for more.
So bring your bullnose, bring your Fiesta, bring your big old Crown Vic too.
From the 50s Land Rover to whatever's old and new.
At the Tattie Shack in Ayrshire, every Sunday's got a view.
When you roll with this car club, buddy, life's a thrill right through.
Check the Porsche Targa 4S, roof off in the haze. The Bayeux Stag is burbling sweet, pure summer days. Vivia Beetles bob and paint a rainbow on the grass. Lexus purrs like velvet while the Ferraris shake the glass.
There's a Dino parking pretty, a 3048 in red, and a bullnose Oxford honking like a wise old uncle said. Come and get your tatty scone, the bacon's crispy fried. Yeah, the banter's just as classic as the metal parked inside.
Oh, the Tattie Shack is singing, every piston plays its part.
From the Honda S660 to the Capri's thumping hard. Got the MG Cyberster flashing, Fiesta tearing up the chart.
Ayrshire Classics Car Club, man, we're working harky hard.
Old Land Rover 50, looking rough but never beat.
Ford Crown Vic from the States, with the bench seat and the heat.
Jaguar XKR growls low, a Panther in the sun.
BMW Z3 just glows, yeah, the body works a ton. Of elbow grease and polish, and the stories that they tell. How the Audi A4 caught a rainbow in a shell.
How the Mazda MX-5 drifted rain last Tuesday night, and the Viva UT4 brewed coffee till the morning turned to light.
Mercedes E1215 just cruises, no big deal.
But the Porsche 994's got angles that could cut the way you feel.
Escort Iris turbo crackles like a firework on wheels.
And the MGB Roadster laughs at every twist of road it feels.
There's no judges, no trophies, just the love of four-wheel noise. Petrol heads and patter the grown-up glasses and the boys.
At the Tattie Shack in Ayrshire, you don't need to prove your best. Just park it, pop the bonnet, and join in with all the rest.
So here's to the Bonos, the Dino, the Stag, the Beetle, the Fiesta, the Plastic, and the Mags.
The S666 screaming like a bee stuck in a can. The T4 that's always got the bacon all planned.
The Lexus looking chill, the XKR on the prowl.
Pepper Free with the smirk and the V8 diesel skull.
From a Mercedes that just shrugs and says, hey, I'll have a brew. That's the Ayrshire Classics Car Club.
And we're saving a space for you. Tattie Shack, Tattie Shack. Gleaming metal, good crack. Bonos, Dino, Capri Z3. If it's got four wheels, your family.
Yeah, from the 50s Land Rover to the Cyberster Glow. Ayrshire Classics Car Club, nowhere else we'd rather go. Sun's up over Ayrshire, the kettle's on the brew. At the Tattie Shack, the field's packed with a petrol-headed crew. There's a growl of purr-a-lip from the old and the brand new, from a bull-nosed ox for chugging slow to an Audi R8 that flew. Oh, the Tattie Shack is shining, every paintwork's looking fine, from the Lexus Smooth to the Land Rover 59. We got side Vista, futuristic, Dino's classic line. Yeah, the Ayrshire Classics Car Club, man, we're feeling mighty fine. Look at that Ford Fiesta, RS turbo boosting hard, parked beside a Jag XKR, a supercharged yard guard. There's a Porsche 944 light popping off the glass, and a Ferrari 348 like it's kicking up the grass. Oh, the Tattie Shack is shining and engines ticking in a line. That MGB Roadster glistening and Z3 looking prime. Got a Mazda MX-5 grinning, look at free, that's so divine. Yeah, the Ayrshire Classics Car Club, man, we're having a good time. Honda Sexcini is tiny, but it's winning on a curve. VW D4's got the bruise, the energy we serve. The Mercedes E-Tool Set E is cruising smooth and low. Audi A4, BMW Z3, watch the whole crew glow. Ford Crown Vic from the States, a Targa 4S in the sun. Triumph Stag's roof is off, and the VW Beetle's won. Every heart here in this field, no matter what you drive, it's the love of four-wheel freedom, makes you feel so alive. Oh, the Tattie Shack is buzzing, hear the laughter and the roar, from the Porsche to the Lexus and a dozen classics more. Yeah, the Cyberster and Dino and the Stag and Capri score. Ayrshire Classics Car Club, yeah, we couldn't ask for more. So bring your Bullnose, bring your Fiesta, bring your big old Crown Vic too. From the 50s Land Rover to whatever's old and new. At the Tattie Shack in Ayrshire, every Sunday's got a view. When you roll with this car club, buddy, life's a thrill right through. Check the Porsche Targa 4S, roof off in the haze. Triumph Stirred is burbling sweet, pure summer days. V30 Beetles bob and paint, a rainbow on the grass. Lexus buzz like velvet, while the Ferrari shake the glass. There's a Dino parking pretty, a 348 in red, and a bull-nosed Oxford honking like a wise old uncle said. Come and get your Tattie scone, the bacon's crisp as fried. Yeah, the Bander's just as classic as the metal parked inside. Oh, the Tattie Shack is singing, every piston plays its Clark. From the Honda 6 and Chevy to the Capri's pumping hard. Got the MG Cyberster flashing, is the tearing up the chart. Ayrshire Classic Car Club, man, we're working happy hard. Oh, Land Rover 50, looking